So, yan po ang punto dyan mga kababayan. Time really is the ultimate truth teller because however you try to position yourself, however you disguise yourself as a sheep rather, you know, as a sheep rather than your natural the natural identity of being a wolf. It will, you know, time will definitely uncover that. And faced by the truth, it is what it is. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. As long as, you know, we all have the different point of views, we all have different opinions or whatnot, ganito ganyan. At the end of the day, principles should never ever change. I think, because principles are like you're guiding a light. This is how you envision things, and this is how you will present yourself to the public. You cannot change midway just to suit a narrative or just to suit what seemed to be an important turn of events for you. Then you will be categorized as a person who is balimbing. Maganon na yon.
Shout out us reaction vlog, YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
So autumn-ish. Very autumn yung atake, guys. Look, diba? So basically, a lot of people were asking me yesterday about my opinion doon sa tinatawag pala na POV something na isang personality who lost the congressional election last 2020 of this year, I think. Yeah, of this year. But it saddens me that there seems to be a hard shift on the position of what seemed to be a person politically leaning towards the Dutertes, and all of a sudden, I don't know what happened along the way, or perhaps it is safe to assume that some people are just very good at foisting themselves as sheeps where in fact they are wolves. Maglamit akong pagka-chicken ito. So, the fact remains that we are all entitled to our opinion. If they are entitled to theirs, I am also entitled to mine. My train's already here. So, it's already 2:56 in the evening, and I am going to take this train. Ganon. This individual, a lawyer, supposed to be good at her craft, expressed what I categorized as concerns, because there seems to be statements such as, you know, the former president's record, one with defiance, and that, ano pa yung sinabi niya doon, and that during his time, due process were not accorded to the victims or whatnot, to that effect, mga kababayan. And I think I totally disagree with this kind of statements, because these are all categorical statements which are highly unbecoming of her. Because I'm pretty sure if we are going to ask her of proof to highlight what instances nangyari sa dating Pangulo na hindi siya nagbigay ng due process kahit kanino man. Number 2, what's the instance or which instances can we highlight that the former president is defiant of anything? Because I cannot think of any. Mind you, the former president is a former prosecutor, a lawyer also. once also had an experience being part of the House of Congress, a mayor, a vice mayor, and eventually fate brought him to become the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Actually, naligo ko gabi eh. But now, I'm on my way to the hairdresser kaya magpatupi ko, guys. So, I will just ligo na lang for today after magpagupit ko, diba? So, yeah, that's the realities of life. We don't waste water because we want a sustainable approach to living. And I honestly think that going back to the topic, guys, na it is sad that this individual asked the person whom this individual referred to us with a record of defiance and not giving due process, where this individual wanted to be promoted, hands raised to become a representative of his constituents in Mandawi City. Diba? I honestly think that it should have been carefully thought through. Pero perhaps there are some justifying circumstances or reasons behind why such an act were done by this individual. And I really hope that you will revisit your objectives and what you have grounded yourself with from the very beginning, or supposedly how you positioned yourself to everyone, particularly those who are supporters of the former president. Because with that video, you basically uncovered yourself not as an objective or highly objective individual, but you showed a little bit of the colors. Ganun lang. Kasi once a supporter, whatever happens, you will always be a supporter. Ganun po yun. Siguro kasi hindi nanalo, may offer sa kabila. Or we don't know that, you know. These are only questions na tumatakbo sa ating isipan, having to justify what seemed to be an completely different turnaround of events, no? But nevertheless, a person is entitled with their opinion, so as I am also entitled to my opinion, expressing my sentiment doon sa action ng taong ito. Yes. Unfortunately, mga kababayan, hindi po ako pupunta sa Duterte Street. May tanong. Ako po ay pupunta sa kung saan ako magpapagupit. Kasi wala po akong gupit na, mataas na po yung buhok ko. At kailangan ko pong magpagupit. Hindi ko pala natala yung cash ko.
Beste reizigers, welkom in de
It's such a disaster. My hair is a disaster, and you know, a bad hair. Bad hair. So, how are you all? How's everyone? What's your position or your opinion? Thank you pala sa Stars Chen. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. What's your opinion with respect doon sa ginawang statement or another day? Another POV. Ganon. Rose Peñas, hello. Thank you so much for your stars. Good evening po. Watch from Manila. Hello, Aubrey D. Zane. Leia Gambota, hello. Lucille Tapog, hello. Hearts to you. How are you, everyone? Ganyan po ang ating gagawin. So, ayan, tumakbo na po ang ating train station. Infinity, thank you, gang. So, yan po ang punto dyan, mga kababayan. Time really is the ultimate truth teller, because however you try to position yourself, however you disguise yourself as a sheep rather, you know, as a sheep rather than your natural the natural identity of being a wolf, it will, time will definitely uncover that. And faced by the truth, it is what it is. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. As long as, we all have the different point of views, we all have different opinions or whatnot, ganito ganyan. At the end of the day, principles should never ever change. I think, because principles are like you're guiding a light. This is how you envision things, and this is how you will present yourself to the public. You cannot change midway just to suit a narrative or just to suit what seemed to be an important turn of events for you. Then you will be categorized as a person who is balimbing. O gano'n na yun. Katulad ng mga congressman na nasa House of Congress na they are like political whores, in the sense that kung sino yung namumuno, doon din sila sumisipsip. Walang prinsipyo, and that's already been expressed greatly by the former president in one of his speeches before. That wala siyang believe sa mga members of Congress for the reasons that, pero naman sa mga ibang meron talagang prinsipyo. Because prinsipyo is what distinguishes a person. If you do not have a principle, what are you? Diba? You're basically in politics a political whore. Kung saan lang ka pwedeng makabenta, kung saan ka pwedeng ganito ganyan, doon ka, which is very unbecoming. It should have been very, very carefully thought through by the likes of what seem to be foisting themselves as a legal luminaire. Luminaire. Diba? Yun po ang punto dyan. Hindi ka pa nga nanalo ng pagtakbo mo. Hindi ka nanalo sa pagtakbo mo, hindi mo pa yun ginawa. Yung pag-ano mo ng 180 degrees, bigla na lang kang... No, it's okay to be objective, that's fine, that's acceptable. But statements like that, how are you going to substantiate a statement like a man with a record of defiance? What is that? How do you categorize that? Is defiance of not bending to foreign powers like that of America because he is a people-centered, Filipino-centered, Philippines first approach? Is that defiance? My dear, I am not an attorney. You are supposed to be better. You are perceived by many supposed to be better than what you are doing, than anybody else. But what you have expressed to the public genuinely reeks of what? Praising the white entities. Parang ganun ang atake, gang. So, sayang. Okay. Sayang. Actually, sayang kaayo. Ayun. So daw, as they say, sometimes the person you take a bullet for ends up being the one behind the gun. Oh, correct, EI. Honestly, look guys, ang ganda dito guys. Oh, look. Super super ka ng POV siya. That's anchored on the law. Yun.